So this is our living space this is where you get your couch setup space. This is a beautiful and spacious kitchen where you get 2 granite platforms. This is a beautiful and spacious master bedroom with... Hello everyone and welcome back to Housey. Myself Nikesha, and in today's video I am going to give you the sample flat tour of RGS Forte Aspire, which is located near Tajne Vasti, Punavle, Pune, and is developed by RGS Realty. As you can see, I am standing at the actual location of the project, in which behind me is the sales office of the project, and behind the sales office is the land parcel of the project. In front of the sales office, you get an internal road that directly connects you to the Punavle road. Now, before I show you the sample flat, let me tell you what Housey is. Housey is India's first real estate platform which has connected its home buyers directly with the builders, giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike other current property listing platforms where your one inquiry is distributed with multiple brokers, Housey connects you directly with the builders, giving you genuine information, transparent pricing and hassle-free home buying experience. So, what are you waiting for? Book your dream house today through Housey. Now, let me give you the project's overview with the help of project's 3D model. This project will be constructed on 3.5 acre of land parcel having 4 towers, in which you will be getting 2 basement plus ground plus 28 and 29 floors respectively, having 3 and 4 BHK premium residencies. Now let me tell you about the location and the connectivity of this project. This project is located near Katevasti Road, Tajne Vasti, Punavle, Pune. इस प्रोजेक्ट की कनेक्टिविटी में आपको मिल जाता है Zudio, which is 2.1 kilometers away, Mumbai-Bangalore highway, which is 2.2 kilometers away, and Cambridge International School, which is 2.2 kilometers away. Now, let me tell you about the amenities of the project with the help of project's 3D model. This project has over 60 plus luxurious amenities such as clubhouse, outdoor sitting area, swimming pool, gym, jogging track, and many more. So, as you can see, I am standing at the entrance of a 3 BHK sample flat which has 1070 square feet carpet area. So this is our entrance, where just at the entrance you get a video door phone and a digital door lock to your door for security purposes, and then this is where you get your entrance's lobby where you can set up your shoe rack and decorative items. Now let us check out the living and the dining space. So this is our living space this is where you get your couch setup space, and this is where you get your TV unit setup space. You also get an attached balcony to it, which has anti-skid tiles, Teflon glass railings, and is 3-side cover. And you also get attached windows right here, which are wall-to-wall windows and half fixed and half sliding. And this is right where you get your dining space. So this is your dining space where you can set up your dining table and enjoy lunch and dinner with your family and friends. Now let us check out the kitchen of this flat. So this is a beautiful and spacious kitchen where you get 2 granite platforms parallel to each other with a sink attached to it, and you also get a dry balcony attached to it, where you can set up your washing machine and utilities, and you also get an attached window to it for ventilation and natural lighting. Now let us check out our first bedroom. But before we check that out, let me tell you that just in front of your first bedroom you get a common washroom which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting, designer vitrified tiles, and shower glass partition. So this is your first bedroom space, where this is where you get your bed setup space, and as you can see you get a lot of walking space right here. You also get an attached window to it which is half fixed and half sliding, and wall-to-wall window. Now let us check out our second bedroom. So this is our second bedroom, this is where you get your bed setup space, and you get walking space around your bed setup space. You also get an attached master washroom to it, which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting, designer vitrified tiles, and shower glass partition, with attached corner windows to it, which are half fixed and half sliding for ventilation and natural lighting. And this is the right way you get your wardrobe setup space. Now, before we move on to our third bedroom, which is the master bedroom of this flat, let me tell you what Housey provides you with. Housey provides you with sample flat videos, actual location tour, pros and cons of the project, EMI and payment schedules, and 360-degree location tour. All of this just under one platform. So what are you waiting for? Register now for free and book your site visit today through Housey. Now, let us check out our master bedroom. So this is a beautiful and spacious master bedroom where this is where you get your bed setup space and you get a lot of walking space right here. You also get an attached balcony to it, which has anti-skid tiles, Teflon glass railings and is 3-side cover. You also get additional desk setup space and an attached master washroom to it, which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting, designer vitrified tiles and shower glass partition. And this is where you get your wardrobe setup space. So everyone, this was the 3 BHK sample flat tour of RGS Forte Aspire, which is located near Taj Nivasti, Punavle, Pune, and is developed by RGS Realty. To know more about this project, click on the link below to download your e-brochure and price sheet, and for more such videos, like, share and subscribe to Housey's YouTube channel, and please do visit www.housey.com to book your dream house today.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.